guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your audio sound muffled in CapCut PC. It is so simple. Anyone can do it. You can either record your voice using the microphone button here or grab an audio from your media library. Anyways, you are going to select speed here and you're going to times the speed up to 10x speed only. Then you are going to right click on the audio like so. Select create compound clip or select LG on your keyboard. Then go to speed again and you're going to times it to 0.1x speed, and this is what your voice is going to sound like when it's muffled. This is me testing. And that is it. It is super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.